What's up? I'm Allison. For this video, we're doing a quick 10-minute core workout. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap that subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. For this workout, all you need is a mat. We'll be completing 2 rounds of 6 exercises for 30 seconds on with a 15-second rest in between. We'll finish out this workout with a 45-second core finisher that'll really fire up the abs. This is the perfect routine to stack on top of your regular workout if you have a little bit of energy, or you can do it on its own. So grab your mat and let's get started. For the first 3 moves, we're gonna be on our back. Go ahead and lie it down, and starting off is going to be a set of dead bugs. For your dead bugs, legs are up at tabletop position, embrace the core, making sure there's no space between that lower back and the floor. Arms are lifted. Now there's different ways to do this. You can have one leg, one arm go back, and this is the basic move. And to make it more intense, you can lift that head up the entire time, making sure to breathe. So 2 different versions for your dead bugs. Remember, we're doing each exercise for 30 seconds on with a short 15-second rest in between. And during that time, I want you to rest because I'll be explaining what the next move is. Okay, we're gonna start in 5 seconds. So get in position for those dead bugs in 3, 2, 1. So here's the version with the head on the floor. This is also a good warm-up move to get it going. Inhale, exhale. And if you'd like to, lift that head up. Shoulder blades are just off the ground, looking at those knees. Good. Inhale, exhale, breathe. Each exercise is definitely gonna layer on top of each other, getting a little more intense. In that second round, we will definitely be feeling it. You've got it. In 5, 4, remember, you'll rest. I'll show you the next move in 3, 2, 1. Drop the head, hug the knees in. Your next move is going to be straight leg bicycle crunches. So for this move, one leg out, one leg in, we're gonna rotate over, rotate over. Big scissor motion with the legs. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Twist, twist. Now, if this is too much for you, I want you to keep your head on the ground and you can just do a single leg switch instead. Just like before, make sure there's no arch in that lower back, no pulling on the neck, nice and smooth rotations. Good. We have 10 more seconds left. Keep it up, keep it up. Third move up on deck, we're staying on our backs. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1, you relax. Your next move, feet are in a butterfly position, unicorn crunches. Fingers making that unicorn point, I guess, on top. And then we exhale, crunch, inhale, lower. All right, get in position. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Exhale, lift, inhale, down. If this is an uncomfortable position for your legs, go ahead and just go into a basic crunch position right there with your feet flat. This one opens up the hips a little more, targets a little bit lower abdominal area, and you're lifting high enough till shoulder blades are off the mat. All right, stay here another 10 seconds, and coming up, we're gonna go into a seated position. Breathe. Whew, you're doing great. Stay there, 3, 2, 1. Stop, hug those knees in, rock it up. All right, next one is we're gonna do angled, alternate angle, reverse crunches. Hands are down, abs are tight. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's do it. Up, lift. Good. Breathe. Whew. You've got it. Get those knees all the way up to the chest. If you need to, you can always do one arm at a time, or one leg at a time. Farther back you go, more intense. Good work, good work. Come on, 10 seconds right here. After this, we're gonna go into a plank position, and I have 2 different plank moves for you to finish off this first round. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Next move, high plank. We're doing those shoulder taps, embracing the abs, alternate. Tap the opposite shoulder. Keeping those shoulders and those hips nice and steady. You can also do this on your knees. Ready, set, let's go. So I don't like to go super fast on these. I'd rather keep good form. So whatever pace is best for you, that you can keep the good form, whether it's fast or slow. Breathe. Come on, 15 seconds, halfway. Modification is here on the knees if you need to. Last 10. And then we're transitioning to our forearm plank in 4, 3, 2, you can give yourself a quick child's pose. All right, last move in this first round, forearm plank. We're gonna do alternating glute raises, legs straight up and down. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's do it. 30 seconds, and then you're gonna get a full 30-second rest in between rounds. Yes, so a little extra glute activation here. Whew. Shoulders and hips steady. If you need to, you can always just hold a modified forearm plank with the knees on the ground. 10 seconds. Starting to build a little sweat here. 4, 3, 2, and stop. Drop those knees, sink back child's pose. Enjoy the next 30 seconds. Welcome back. I know this 30 seconds went really quick, but we're ready for round number 2. Let's go onto your back and get ready for those dead bugs. We're gonna start in 10 more seconds. I'm giving you a few extra seconds of time. Remember, head can be up or down, legs are tabletop position, arms extended. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Inhale, exhale. Making sure your spine stays in a nice neutral position, no gap there. Like to make it a little more intense, lift that head, look at those knees. Inhale, exhale. Good. You're doing amazing. Already halfway through this workout. Keep it up, keep it up. 10 seconds. Breathe. Up on deck is gonna be those straight leg bicycle crunches. You'll still get 15 seconds in between. 3, 2, 1. Drop the head, hug those knees. Take advantage of that. Inhale, exhale out. All right, you're doing great. Get in position in 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Straight leg, give me that rotation, smooth and controlled. Remember, here's your modification. You can do that single leg, head relaxed. Very nice. Come on, come on. You're doing awesome. 15 seconds, less than that. Coming up, unicorn crunches. You know it, we're gonna make that unicorn point with the arms. Feet in a butterfly position, or you can go in traditional crunch position with the legs. And stop. Deep breath. All right, start to get in position. So if you're doing this, we're making that pointer finger and thumb together. In 5, 4, 3, 2, look at that ceiling. Let's go. Exhale, inhale. Lifting high enough, shoulder blades just off the mat. Breathe. Whew. This is our last move on our back, and we're gonna sit up. Good. Lift. Can you go a little higher? Yes, this lasts about 10 seconds. Breathe. We're almost there. Good job. Fight through. 3, 2, 1. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, rock it up. Angled reverse crunches, so taking a seat, placing those hands down, bringing those knees towards opposite shoulders. In 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Over, over, good. Working those obliques. Can you make it a little bit bigger now that we know what we're doing compared to that first round? Extend those legs farther, lean back a little more, and really focus on that breath. Yes, keep it up, keep it up. Woo, 10 seconds. Awesome. Planks are heading your way. High plank with those shoulder taps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. All right, get ready. High planks on those hands, shoulder taps. Remember, wrists, shoulders, elbows stacked. Abs are in. In 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Keeping that good form. Remember to breathe. Hips are steady. Here's that modified version. I'm on the knees. Same upper body. Good. Working hard. Working strong. 10 seconds. Final move. We're down on our forearms with those leg raises. And remember, I have a big finisher at the end. 3, 2, 1. Why don't you do a child's pose to sink back. Deep breath in and out. Forearm plank, you can either hold a modified, or if you're on your toes, adding those leg raises. In 5, 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Up. Squeeze those glutes. Lift. Breathe. Oh, I know. We are so close to the end. Finish line is near. Halfway 15. Keep it up, keep it up. Squeeze those glutes. Woo. Awesome. 5, 4, 3, a 15-second break. We're gonna go on our backs and stop. On your backs, we're finishing with 1 round, 45-second flutter kicks. Hands can be under the hips, and all we're gonna do is swim those legs. Head can be up or down. Ready? In 5, 4, 1 round, 45 seconds to finish. Let's go. So I like the hands under the hips for a little extra back support. If you like your arms to the side more, that's fine. If you want to rest your head, that's fine. If you find your back arching too much, raise those legs higher. This is that final burn for that core. You can do it. Breathe through it. Come on. I know it's in you. 20 seconds, less than that. Close your eyes, just get through it. I know, I'm hurting too. I feel ya. Woo. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Bring those legs down. Full body stretch. Great job. You made it. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Whew. When you're ready, hug those knees in. Let's do a quick oblique stretch. Drop those knees to the side. Reach those arms opposite. Good. Great work. That was about 10 minutes. It's really all you need for a great core workout. Switch sides. Very nice. Center those knees up and rock it up. You're all done. Nice work.
Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.